wonder if he's gonna have any luck today. Alright, so I'm back here in Hayes Nature Preserve in Alabama. This is actually my second time fishing this exact location. Last time I had some pretty decent luck. I had caught two new species. So I had the rest of the day free and I decided to come back and give it another shot. I'm primarily just going to be using soft plastics today. I think I'm going to start with this, if I could find them. I'm going to be starting with these. Hopefully I have the same amount of luck I had last time. I'm going to go ahead and get rigged up and get started. Let me clean off my reels. So 2 minutes in so far, I haven't even had a single nibble. Hopefully my luck improves. I completely skipped over that main lake up there today just because this spot produced more fish last time. But if I can't get anything down here, I'm gonna have to go hit up that lake before I leave. Water's a little bit more murky than it was last time too from all the rain. Nice, man. Put up a good fight. Wow. Well, I definitely would have been way more excited, but there's people walking by and I didn't want to freak out, but that was a good sized fish on that. Man, that was awesome. See if I can get another one. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes since I caught that first fish. This preserve actually closes in about 2.5 hours, so I'm going to give it 30 more minutes fishing this little main creek right here. After that I'm going to go fish the lake up front, and then I'm going to have to call it a day. But yeah, it's been about 30 minutes since I had my last bite. Hopefully in this little cove I can get something. Woo! Alright, second fish of the day. Nice little hybrid right here. These things fight pretty strong for their size. Go ahead and let them go. Finally though, second fish. Alright, so it's 2:42 right now. I'll probably stay down here and fish till 3. I just actually broke off. I'm surprised at how long that took to actually break off over here, but I'm going to switch to this little swim bait. this little Trigger X swim bait and give it a few casts, at least till 3, and see how I do. Alright, so I didn't have any luck at this main lake, so on the way home I'm going to stop at one last place and see if I can get to fish number 3 for the day. Those first 2 fish that I caught fought pretty well, but for some reason I always like to catch at least 3 if I'm going to upload a video. So let's see if I can get to number 3. If not, I think those first, at least that first fish is definitely worth an upload. See you in a minute. Alright, so I just got to location number 2. I'm going to give it a cast. I guess I'm going to fish up until probably for about an hour. I did see a few sunfish swimming around, so hopefully I can hook up to one, and then I'll be headed home to edit. Alright, here we go, finally, fish number 3, little red breast sunfish. Actually, it's not that little, but red breast sunfish. Let's let him go. Alright, another one. Last fish, little shiner. Surprised.